Hey fitness friends, welcome back to the channel. So this week, I'm going to do a core workout in Tabata format that's intended for advanced beginnerish type people who can get on the floor. Stay tuned for further down the month. I'll be doing some chair workouts as well as some more advanced ones as well. Gonna hit everybody this month, so stay tuned. For today's workout, you're going to need a set of dumbbells, your water bottle, and you might want your yoga mat depending on the floor that you're working on. My floor is a spongy gym floor, so I'm good with that. Grab those things and let's get right into this. Starting on the ground in knee plank position, we're going to do a plank march. Holding your core tight, you're lifting first one hand and then the other. Try not to sway your body. And rest. For the second round, I'm going to come up on my toes and show you a shoulder tap. If you're not ready for this, you can go ahead and stay where you were with the plank march. And resting that, we're going to come onto our backs for a modified bicycle crunch. We're going to reach for our opposite knee with our elbow. Use your core to pull yourself up, not your hands. Rest for those 15 seconds. If that seems too easy, get your legs involved. It's always opposite elbow to opposite leg. And rest. Come up to more of a seated position. Grab one of your dumbbells. Russian twist. And rest. If you want to make it a little more difficult, you can pull your feet off the ground. And if you get tired, you can put them back down again. If the weight is too much, put the dumbbell down and just use your hands. And staying on our backs, we're going to do heel touches. Shoulders flat. We're working our side obliques. Make sure you're beginning the action right in here. Take that rest. Stretch up a little bit. Come back to form. And we'll get started. And done. Continuing on our backs, we're going to do leg drops. We're going to start with our left leg. Keeping one foot on the floor makes it easier. When we switch legs for the second round, I will show you the advanced. Okay, we're going to switch legs. And I'm going to bring my legs up this time. Now our goal is to keep our back flat. This is more difficult. And there you have your core Tabata workout. It's a great 5-minute workout. If you want more, rewind and do a second round. You can intensify or modify all of the movements as you go along. The key is keep going during those 20 seconds, whatever that means for you. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. Today's workout is one of the workouts in our program Smiles and Squats. So if you haven't looked into that, click the link below. We're already into April, but I will be repeating this again later on in the early summer. So make sure you check it out. Subscribe to my channel. That allows me to continue to bring you great content like this that you guys have asked for. I always listen to my comments. So be sure to drop me comments. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you enjoy, and let me know what you'd like to see me do next. And most importantly, see you next time online.